Classic black iced tea. Ingredients: 4 cups boiling water, 4 black tea bags, English breakfast, Ceylon, or Darjeeling, 2 cups cold water, sugar or honey, optional, ice, lemon slices, mint, for serving. Instructions: steep tea bags in boiling water for 5 to 7 minutes. Remove tea bags, add sugar if desired, and stir until dissolved. Add cold water and refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours. Serve over ice with lemon and mint. Peach iced tea. Ingredients: 4 black tea bags, 4 cups boiling water, 2 to 3 ripe peaches sliced, 1/4 to 1/2 cup sugar optional, and ice cubes. Instructions: brew tea and let steep for 5 to 7 minutes. In a saucepan, simmer peach slices and sugar in 1 cup of water for 10 minutes. Strain peach syrup and mix with brewed tea. Chill, then serve over ice with peach slices. Lemon iced tea. Ingredients: 4 black or green tea bags, 4 cups boiling water, 1 2-cup fresh lemon juice, 1 4-cup sugar, optional, ice and lemon wedges. Instructions: brew tea and stir in sugar, optional. Add lemon juice and mix well. Chill and serve over ice with lemon wedges. Strawberry iced tea. Ingredients: 4 black or green tea bags, 4 cups boiling water, 1 cup strawberries, hulled and sliced, 1 4-cup sugar, ice cubes. Instructions: brew tea and let cool slightly. In a saucepan, cook strawberries and sugar for 10 minutes, then strain. Mix syrup with tea, chill, and serve over ice with strawberry slices. Tropical iced tea. Ingredients: 3 black tea bags, 2 green tea bags, 1/2 cup pineapple juice, 1/4 cup orange juice, ice and pineapple slices. Brew both teas together for 5 minutes. Add the juices and stir, chill and serve with a pineapple garnish. Southern sweet tea. Ingredients: 6 black tea bags, 4 cups boiling water, 3/4 1-cup sugar, 4 cups cold water, lemon slices optional. Brew for 5 minutes, then remove the tea bags. Stir in sugar while it's hot until it dissolves. Add cold water, then chill. Serve over ice with lemon slices. Green iced tea with honey and mint. You'll need 4 green tea bags, 4 cups hot, not boiling water, 2 tablespoons honey, and a handful of fresh mint leaves. Instructions: brew tea for 3 minutes, then remove the bags. Add honey and mint. Chill and serve over ice. Hibiscus iced tea, caffeine-free. Ingredients: 1 2-cup dried hibiscus petals, or 4 hibiscus tea bags, 4 cups boiling water, 1 4-cup honey or agave, lime slices. Place the hibiscus petals in a heat-proof jug. Steep the hibiscus in boiling water for 10 minutes. Strain the tea, sweeten with honey or agave, and let cool. Chill and serve over ice with lime. Arnold Palmer. Half tea, half lemonade. You'll need 2 cups brewed black tea, 2 cups lemonade, plus ice and lemon slices. Now pour the tea and lemonade into a pitcher. Mix the tea and lemonade together, letting the 2 streams blend. Chill and serve over ice with a lemon slice. Ingredients: 4 black tea bags, 4 cups boiling water, 2 cups watermelon cubes, 1 TBSP honey or sugar, optional. Instructions: brew tea and cool. Blend watermelon and strain the juice. Mix with tea, chill, and serve cold.